And good morning, guys. Again, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about, again, the Cash Building System Unlimited and how to speed up your results by marketing online and having a website. Okay, so if you're interested, let's get started. In the last video, we talked about the Cash Building System Unlimited and how to double your results with the same amount of effort. Today we're going to be talking about why you should get a website to speed up your results. As you know, the Cash Building System Unlimited is a business opportunity that is done through the mail. Basically, it is done through postcards. You can use flyers. You can also use drop cards. If you're able to put a stamp and a label on a postcard, you can do this business as long as you're consistent. But what you didn't know is that you can also market this opportunity online as well as offline. And the best way to do that is to have a website so that you can be found online. That is the only way for you to run this business online. You have to have an address online for someone to go to see your opportunity and what you have to offer. When you have an online presence, you have a better chance of speeding up your results. You are now marketing both offline with the postcards and online with the website. So therefore, you're doing double duty. You're not only mailing the postcard, you're giving yourself an online presence, which means you're able to reach more people. You can do this by posting on social media sites. You can run paid ads, or you can create YouTube videos like myself. The choice is yours. I know for me, it's really hard to do these videos, but they say just start, don't procrastinate. So I know right now my videos are a little rough, but the more I keep doing them, I feel the better I will become at doing them. So, hang in there with me, guys, as we improve, as we all go through this journey together. Just in case you want to market your website offline, then you don't have the option to get the postcard that will list your website as well as your ID number. Okay, I didn't write that correctly. My bad. Please forgive me for that one. Basically, here is a postcard that you can use for the Cash Building System Unlimited. If you decide that you're going to go online and market your business online, you are going to want to use this postcard here. Reason being is because this postcard is going to feature your website. As you can see right here at the bottom, it says your website here, and it's also going to put your number on here. I have ordered 1,000 of these postcards, so I am using both postcards. I'm using the ones, the original cards that came with the business, as well as these cards. You can order these postcards through another vendor, and you can fill out all the information and more. You can find out all the information and more in our Facebook group. The Facebook group is going to give you so much information, and there's a lot of uplifting people in that Facebook group. Guys, let's take a look at the website. Here is a video that you can view for my website for the Cash Building System Unlimited. And this is the postcard that comes with the system when you join. The Fast Start bonuses. Here's what you get when you sign up. The 2 ways to earn passive and residual income online. And here's the first stage that you would join in at $50. You will receive 200 proven postcards and 200 mailing leads. And your bonus is $25 for a commission. Right here is the second page you would join in at the $100 level, $300 level, $500 level. Okay, At the $100 level, you will get $70 payments. At the $300 level, you will get $150 payments. And at the $500 level, you will get $350 payments. If you want to join by mail, all you have to do, this is my ID number, 2711, for you to get started. Make sure that you have that number if you are signing up online as well as through the mail. If you want to join through the mail, click on this button. It's going to bring you to a PDF form that you can basically print out and fill out and mail in. And the address and everything is on this form as well, JD Marketing. If you would like to sign up through the mail, print this form out, and you can use this. Again, my sponsored ID is 2711. And that's how you can get started with the postcards. Again, guys, thank you so much for tuning into the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for the Cash Building System Unlimited. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.